Hi, this is Beth from Zumba. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Hello, I'm Beth from Zumba. Thank you so much for watching. And we're going to do some simple reggaeton steps today that we use in a Zumba class. And we're going to start off with a stomp. A stomp is just that. It's like you're stomping on something. We just bang the foot on the floor. Now, do be careful not to bang too hard because you're going to jolt your joints and then you might have issues. Sometimes in my class I have really wonderful, enthusiastic participants who are really stomping down. And I have to ask people to take it a little bit easier because I don't want people hurting their knees. So whilst we are stomping, our weight actually remains on our back foot. The stomp, it could happen or not. So I'm not actually putting all my weight on it. It's just for effect, the stomp. So keep your weight to the back. It's so important with this stomp. All right, so we're going to go stomp, 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 stomp. Now, that is very rare in my classes. What we would normally do is vary the tempo a little bit. So that was playing single, 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 single. We might do that sometimes at the beginning of a song, but often we'll do things like a single, single, double, or we might do single, single, and then a slow, or a variety of different things. So we might do like 1, 2, 3, 4 and up, 2, 3, 4. So I'll show you a few. So we'll do a single, single, double, which I would show like this. So single, single, double. So we're going to go single, single, double, and single, single, double. Now hopefully you'll notice my arms, and it's reggaeton style. It's a bit sort of but if you're not familiar with Latin music, it's probably more hip-hop type thing. That's the feel of it. And so it's shoulders forward. It's a bit like this, pump, that sort of thing. So it's single, single, double. And we often do these arms, really good for for toning your triceps. Those. So single, single, double, single, single, double. Or we could do single, single, slow, single, single, stop, single, single, stop, single, single, stop. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4. Now doing those last ones really emphasizes we're keeping the weight at the back. Please remember that. I don't want anyone hurting their knees. I once went really enthusiastic as a participant and really stomped that foot down, and oh my goodness, my knees really hurt the next day. Please learn from my mistake. Please keep it on the back foot. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the stomp in your next classes. Thank you, bye.